Yo, what's up guys? Back here with another video. It's the boy with more builds. So today, it's finally time. We're getting this engine into the frame. So, let's do it. Here we go. I'm gonna put you guys in the time lapse because ain't nobody got time for this slow stuff. So yeah, let's get it. Rah. Okay guys, I'm back and that was a time lapse and we got the cylinder head bolts in. We got this other mountain, and we got another one down here, and then we also got the main one right here, the swing arm one. And yeah, now it's about time to get the cover on and wire everything up and then put everything back together. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. Actually, all I'm gonna do is put the sticker cover on, and then I'll show you guys everything else. So let's get it. Okay guys, I am back now. So the little things off camera. I put the radiator on. I also put this radiator hose on, and then I tightened up these radiator hoses so they won't come on. I also attached the clutch cable. By the way, how I did that, I took this part off and I slotted it in first, and then pressed this really hard, and then slotted this in, and the clutch was on, and now I have a clutch pull, very strong. So yeah, and now I'm gonna try and I'm gonna do this one. This radiator hose is actually right here. I'm gonna do this radiator hose. And also put the carburetor on, and then put the gas tank on, and then the seat, and then also clean up the air filter, and then slap that on, and then put all the plastics on, and then do the hardest part of this whole entire build, and put the exhaust on, because the springs are no joke. Those are really hard. Unless you got a spring puller, then it's pretty easy. So yep, so I can probably do this right here on camera. So I'm gonna slide in. That's supposed to go down over there, and this part's supposed to go right here. Okay, that one's on. Yes, I know it's supposed to be clamps. I'll put the clamps on in a minute. I'm just making sure that it fits. Easy, no kinks. Yep, no kinks. That is how that's supposed to go. So now I'm gonna take it off. Also, sorry guys for the lighting. Alright, I got one. Get another one. I'm just putting on the little clamps now, without losing them, hopefully. Alright. Hope I lost one, so that'll be okay. That's fine. So fish this through, all the way through. And then I'm gonna try and get it down. Okay, so that one's on. I don't know if you guys can see, but that one's down there on. And then I lost the other one, so I'm gonna grab this. Okay, I found it. It's right here. Move that out the way a little bit. Alright, and now that one's on. actually, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna tighten these up. So, be right back, real quick. All right, guys, I am back. And where was I? Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna show up the carburetor. I'm gonna say it again. Anyway, so I tightened this clamp down. I'm gonna need to get a smaller clamp for this one because this is the wrong clamp. It won't go all the way. I need one like more like this one that has more teeth. I don't know if I can see it. This one right here. This one. I need one like this that has all teeth around, so you can keep on going. Make it as big as you want, whatever. Yeah, this one it just doesn't do that. So I get another one. I don't think I really need one for the top one because there's not really that much pressure on it to blow it down, but I will get it because, you know, OEM specs. Okay, so here we got our K&N PWK 28mm carburetor. I'm gonna put this in the on the engine too. So here we go. Let's start by putting it in. So let's move the throttle cable out the way real quick. Throttle cable's out the way. Get a better angle. Okay, looks like the carburetor is stuck. Okay, now it is not stuck, so I'm just gonna try and get an upper view of it. And I just twist it in. Make sure it lines up with the little tab up top. And it is lined up in there. And then all I have to do is tighten this. But before I do that, let's make sure everything is functioning correctly. Oh dang, hold on, I forgot. I gotta take this carburetor out one more time. I gotta put the slider in before I can do anything else. Because if I don't, I won't be able to get the slider in. So the slider's right here, so let's get the slider in real quick. It points a certain direction. So we're gonna go in one direction, so that's the direction goes in. And then get the two bolts and you put that in. So I'll be back when I have the two bolts in and then I put it back in. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back again. So I got the carburetor bolts on and the carburetor is on. So I'm gonna end this episode off right here. We did a lot of today. So next episode I'm gonna be putting on the gas tank, the seat, and then off camera I'll put the side plastics on and stuff like that. And then yeah, you guys was like in the next video, you guys will see this thing starting up for the first time. Breaking her in. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna name it, but I will soon name it. I don't know what it is yet. So yeah. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, do what you do best. It's the boy with my builds here. So you guys, this is the Kx 2010 Kx85. Unbelievable engine in here. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, do what you do best. Peace.